All right, welcome. Everybody here is starting laying down here in Monona Terrace, so let's start on our backs. Why not? Go ahead and make your way to your back. A little focus on upper body mobility today. Just start off. Maybe a constructive rest, knees bent, if that feels better to your back. You can lay flat too. But wherever you are, take just a moment to arrive. Now let your shoulders drop down to the mat. Let your belly be soft. If your knees are bent, notice your feet on the floor. And bring your attention up to your tailbone. Follow it up to your sacrum. Your low back is probably a little bit away from the floor. Your thoracic spine area, probably pretty firmly on the floor. Then you have a little space underneath your neck, most likely. Put the back of your head on the floor. And if it feels good, shut your eyes or just hold a soft gaze. Do a little check-in. Notice whatever you're bringing with to class with you today. Notice any places that you're holding some tension. Notice places that feel tight from exercise or sleeping funny. Notice those places that feel rested and ready to work. Just notice any sensations in your body. Is your belly empty? Is your belly full? You notice any vibrations in your hands or your feet? Can you detect your beating heart? If so, where do you feel it? And then where do you most easily feel the breath? Maybe out your nose, your chest, your belly, sides of your rib cage, or somewhere else. Just take a few deep breaths here. Let your belly rise and fall. See if you can expand your rib cage to all sides. And let your knees bend. Walk your feet a little bit wider on the mat if that's available. You can let your knees drop toward the center. Bring your arms out to the side. Let's go palms up, just because that kind of reverses all that body forward thing. Your elbows become easier in the day. And then start to let your knees sway and go really slow. You're getting a little curious here. How does it feel to drop the knees to the left? How does it feel to drop them to the right? One side more easily than the other. Really slowly increase your range of motion here. And notice how it feels. And the next time your knees go to the left, turn your head to the right. Just adding on a little bit here. If your knees go to the right, turn your head to the left. And do that a couple times. Good. And now keep the same thing, but as you turn your head, turn the palm that's away, that you're looking away from, down. And swing your legs over to the other side, that full twist over the other side, turn your palm down. Hold. Yeah, let's do that one more time to each side. Hold. Last time. Good. So when you bring your knees back to center, draw them towards your chest. Give them a good enough squeeze that you feel your tailbone come off the floor. It might feel nice to also lift your head up if you're ready for that. And keep your knees, but drop your head down. And circle the knees to the left. So we do the whole circle all the way around one direction. We'll go back massage. Good. Circle the other way, see it's different. Nice. And then go ahead and bring your feet back to the floor. You're going to get kind of close to your sit bones, as close as is reasonable. Reach down towards your heels with your fingertips. And we're going to roll up one vertebrae at a time. So starting to move the spine in a different way. We're rolling up in the bridge. Reach your knees away from your face. Squeeze your glutes. Roll it back down. Good. Do a couple more of those. Rolling up, tailbone, sacrum, mid or low back, mid back. Reach the knees away, squeeze the glutes. Roll it down. This time we'll stay at the top. So go ahead and roll it up. It can be a little softer bridge this time. It's going to change things up a little bit. Take your arms to the sky, sort of reaching up toward the ceiling. And then we're going to start to let our upper bodies rock. So reach your right hand up towards the sky, and then your left hand. Let your upper body rock back and forth. Do this in a way that feels reasonable and good to you. The range of motion can be really small, or maybe you reach all the way across. Maybe you even touch the floor. Let's do one more each side, any of those ones. Good. Go ahead and drop back down to the floor. Give your knees a squeeze into your chest one more time. Keep your right leg, take your left leg along on the mat. Yep. And then take that right leg to the sky. If that means you bend your left leg, that's totally fine. Circles
Yeah, I
good.
did call you. Someone called and said that there was a call that yoga was having issues with the mic.
And then switch, go
That's
the other
fine.
way.
Thank you.
Good. Let your left leg then cross your right ankle over your left knee. Take your right hand, leave that leg a little held into external rotation, but not too much, just enough. You can also reach through, grab your left leg. Straighten up the sky. Something different today. If you want, let your right leg bend, grab both feet. And then if you're holding your feet where your leg is up to the sky, bend your left leg. So here we are. Left shin is parallel to the ceiling, right leg is crossed over. Bring your arms out to the sides. We're going to take our right foot. We'll put our left foot down on the mat. Take our right foot and drop it over until maybe it's on the floor. Maybe. See how that goes. Turn your head away from that leg. And then bring yourself back to center. Keep it right there. Cross over just a little bit more and drop your knees to the other side. See how that feels. That left leg is getting a little pull from the right leg, so go slow. See how it feels. Good. Come on back to center. Take both knees again. Pull them in towards your chest. Your full squeeze. Maybe pick your head up one more time. And then keep your left leg. Take your right leg out on the floor. Yep. Just take left foot toward the ceiling. If that means you bend your right leg, that's fine. Good circle that ankle. And then go ahead and let your right leg bend. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Take that leg a little bit of help out. Notice if the side is different. I notice I'm always a little tighter on this side. If you like, take your hands and reach through, grab your right leg. And all those options again. You could straighten that leg out. You could bend both knees and grab your feet. And then go ahead and let that go. Keep your left leg crossover, bring your right foot to the floor, arms out wide. Take your left foot and rock it over toward the floor. Maybe it gets there, maybe it doesn't. Just as far as feels good. And on your next exhale, bring it back to center, cross it over just a little bit farther, and let your knees drop the other way. See how that feels. Come on back to center. All right. Just take both knees in towards the chest again. Bring your elbows up so your forearms, your hands up so your forearms are parallel with the ceiling. We're going to stretch our right arm and left leg out and hold it. It's a really, really slow dead bug thing. Bring it back in. Reach the other and hold. Good. And bring it back in. Let's do a couple more on each side. So a big reach and hold. Engage your lower abs. Get back in. Same thing other side. Release it. One more each side. Good. Back to center. Last one. And bring that in. Option to straighten your legs, or you can keep them back. We're going to come into a Pilates 100. Head can be lifted. If your neck gets tired, put it down now. We'll start to pump our arms. We'll inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 5, and 2, 3. Good. Option, drop your left leg down, cover it. Just an option. Good. Float that leg back up. Take the other leg down, hover. Float it up. Bring your hands back behind your head. This isn't a mistake. Take your left elbow to your left knee. Reach your right leg long. Switch it. Yeah, notice if you're crossing the body. That's because that's how we usually do it. We're trying to take left elbow toward the left knee and then right elbow toward the right knee. Good. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Draw your knees in. Put your feet down. Roll yourself into a bridge. Hold it here. Hang out. You can stay right here in bridge, or you can bring your right leg to the sky. If your right leg's up, you can drop it down toward your knee and kick it back up a few times. We'll go 3, 2, 1. Set that foot back down. The other leg comes up and straight. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Knee in, foot down, up, and straight. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Good. Knee in, foot down, up, and straight. Exhale, lift. Good. Put that foot down. Walk your feet out a little wider. Let your knees drop together. And let your legs sway. Good. One more thing while we're on our backs. Let's come back to center. Bring the shins up parallel to the ceiling again. Let your head float up. Reach towards your ankles, maybe touch them. We'll take a big inhale back. Everything stretches out. Exhale around. Inhale. So we're doing little snow angel arms here. Legs just stretch and bend. 3, 2, 1. And just let that go. Take your body long, reach your arms up overhead. Just a big stretch here, or if you prefer a banana, walk your legs over to the left, move your arms over to the left, breathe into your right side body. Move back to center, we'll walk them over the other side. Go back to center. Let's go kneeling. So move yourself up to all fours. Let's come to all fours first before we kneel. And then I'm going to turn this way, because we know this one. Let's find just a little cat cow, just as far as feels good. Right? Letting the head drop down as we come into cat. Lifting the head as we come into cow. All right, take your left leg and slide it out behind your toes to the floor. Give a little push back. We get a calf stretch here. Rock forward, lift that leg up. We're going to step it across the other leg and have a look over the left shoulder. Breathe into your right side. Nice. And then take your right leg, swing it all the way over to the side. Do what you like with your ankle. Take your right hand to the sky, shake out that wrist. Like I said, right hand, left hand to the sky. All right. From here, walk your hands over to the right so that we're stacking. So we're lining up right hand, right knee, left foot, left hand reaches up. Yeah. Right here, take a big inhale. So we can launch all the way up and over into stargazer. Gate latch. Come on down into stargazer. It's time to look up, looking up at the sky. Good. All the way up and over the body bend into gate latch. Come all the way down. Good. Last one. So your body's bent. Yep. And then when we come back down, bring your left hand to the side of your head. Let our bodies twist. So twist your left elbow down toward the floor. And open it back up. And do that a few times. Good. Hold this one. You can keep your hand on your head. It could come to your hip. You could reach up to the sky, or just kind of float the left leg up. Maybe it doesn't go very far. Right here's good. Wherever feels nice. Option to stay here. Option to kick that leg forward and back. Little Pilates here. Well, 2 pulses to the front, 2 pulses to the back. 2 more. Good. And then bring that leg back down. Walk yourself over to center again. Bring your leg in. Find your cat cow. Shake it out. Nice. Come on back to neutral spine. Take your right leg out behind you, toes to the mat. Give a little push back, calf stretch. And then take your right foot, step it over, have a look back over your left shoulder. Breathe into your right rib cage. Nice, we'll swing that leg all the way over to the other side. Do what you like with your ankle. Take your right hand to the sky and shake out your wrist. Nice. Go ahead and bring that hand back down. Walk your hands over to the side so we're lining up left hand, left knee, right foot. Big inhale is going to take us up and over. Exhale down. Last one of these. Bring your hand to your head. We'll take a few twists here. Good. You can keep your hand there. You can bring it to your hips. And we're going to float the other leg up and hang out here. This guy. See how it feels? The arms up here. Kick the leg forward and back. Hips are good too. More leg. Nice. Beautiful. Go ahead and bring that leg down. Walk it back to all fours. Back into cat-cow. Nice. I'm in a neutral spine again. Float your left arm up. Swing it through. We're going to thread the needle. Maybe it's right here. Maybe we come down to the shoulder. Maybe we even come down to the side of the head. The other hand can come to your back. Or it can stay where it is. And then untwist that. Let your hand float back up. And we'll do the same on the other side. So we'll float that arm up, swing it through. You decide how far you're going. You hear a couple breaths. Do what you like with the other arm. And then unwind that. And let the arm float up again. All right. Turn your toes under. And then come up into a downward dog. Let your legs walk a little bit. And then walk your hands to your feet or feet to hands. Find yourself a forward fold. The hands could be on thighs. Head could be above your heart, or you can let it hang down. Do what's right for you. Let your knees bend a whole bunch. And we're going to roll up one vertebrae at a time. Right. Why don't you get up? Let's circle shoulders forward. I always go forward first because I think it's harder. That may be different for you. Maybe let the rest of your body participate too, maybe the knees. Okay. And then one side and then the other. Some backstroke. And then let's do both at the same time. All right, take your arms wide to the side, have a look up, cross your left arm over your right arm, and maybe let your back bend. We'll do this a few times. So inhale up, big wide arms. Cross your other arm over the top. Big inhale brings us up. Exhale, retract. Good. One more each side. Big inhale, lift your heart. Nice. Come on back up, just shake it out. Take your left arm and reach it up to the sky. Drop it down your back. Take your right arm out to the side. Swing it behind your back and see if you can move your fingers a little closer together. See if you can keep your head lifted while you do this. It doesn't matter how far they go, it really doesn't matter. But just notice it. Let's unwrap that right arm, unwrap the left arm. And we'll switch it. Left arm in the sky, but drop down your back. Take your right arm, swing it behind. Notice if this side is different. All we're noticing. Your left arm, and your right arm. Shake it out. Take your arms this time, just let them be soft, right? Just let them be, they're just noodles. We're going to take our noodle arms and start to just swing. Yeah, you might notice them tapping your body. That might feel good. Maybe not. That's a crunch. Little snap, crack, pop out here. Shake them out. All right. Let's blow a little big inhale. Exhale, fold, however feels good to you. Inhale, come to halfway lift. Yeah. Bring yourself into chair. Float your right leg up. Step it back into a lunge. Beautiful. Reach both arms if that feels good, or bring it to cactus. We're going to take our hands, bring them together. Maybe they stay right there, or maybe we take a right elbow over to the left knee. And we are in this lunge, so it's a pretty big balance challenge. Hang on here, come friends. All the way back to center. Your hands heart center. Open to warrior two. Nice. See if you can get the feeling of pulling in with your legs and reaching out with your arms. Opposites here. Have a look over your front hand. Take that palm, turn it up, and reach toward the sky. Yeah, we're going to keep this pretty engaged today. Come back, place that elbow on the knee. Other hand's going to come across our head just once today. And then take the hands out in front of you here, circle it down. Open all the way up into triangle. Option. If you like to twist your triangle, bring your right hand down, take your left hand to the sky. Just an option. Good. Onto the step. Keep your triangle legs and reverse your arms. Nice. Cartwheel down, frame that front foot. Lots of options here. You can hang out plank, you can come straight to down dog, you can flow through, come to your belly or halfway down. Inhale to up dog or baby cobra. Exhale, down dog. Walk it out. And then walk your feet to your hands. Find your forward fold. Hands to thighs. Roll it all the way up. And bring hands heart center. Take a moment just to notice. Or go to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, half lift. Nice, sink your hips, come to chair. Let your left leg float up. Step back into the lunge. Yep, find the balance. Take both hands to the sky. Come into that twist here. Hands, heart center. Option to stay here, or take the left elbow over toward the right knee. Check in with your breath. And we're going to warrior two. And same feeling, pulling in with the feet, reaching out with the arms. Keeping it engaged, turn your front palm up and reach it to the sky. Yeah. Bring that elbow to your knee, other hand comes across the horizon, but we leave it there. Good, we'll take this hand that's up here, make that big circle, find the triangle, hang out here. Good, if you like that twisted triangle on the other side, maybe find it on this side. Check in with your breath. And I'll bring it back. Look, hand up. Big inhale takes us up. Curl down, frame your front foot, step back to plank. You know what to do. Stay in plank, down dog, or flow it through in a way that feels good to you. Exhale, down dog. Nice. While we're upside down here in down dog, let's do a couple hip openers. Let your left leg float to the sky. Let your knee bend, let your ankle flex. Drop that leg over your right leg. Good. We'll float it back to center. Bring that foot down. Same thing, other side. Right leg floats up. Good. Right. Bring it back to center. Go all the way down to child's pose or something like it. You could stay here in the center, or you could walk your hands over to the right, stacking left on right maybe. Let your left hip be really nice and heavy. A little bit more intense stretch. And if you're doing that side stretch, go ahead and walk your hands over to the opposite side. Let your right hip be heavy. And come all the way up. Come to sitting. With legs out straight. Arms to the sides. We're going to keep palms out, okay? So that we get that nice external rotation of the shoulders. Take a little twist to one side. Take your little finger toward your little toe. It doesn't have to get there. Inhale all the way up and over. We'll do the same on the other side. Try to keep your sit bones pretty much down on the floor. Just coming out like that. And one right side. And come on back to center. Take your left arm over inside your left leg. Right arm can come across or it can come up and over. Just find a nice side bend. Hang out here. Take a couple breaths. Let's walk this one across the middle. We'll do two on each side. And walk it across. And walk it across. And just come all the way up. I'm stay here for a little bit of a twist. If you think about taking your elbow and tapping it on the wall behind you, it's going to feel like you want to reach back with your hand. We're going to take left elbow and then bend it and tap it on the wall behind us. Come back to center. Right elbow. And so 3 little exhales. And 1 big inhale to come back. And last one. Let's come on back to center. All right. Come to cross leg, just for a second. So notice which leg you've got crossed in front. And then take your hands and walk out in front of you, let your head drop down. Goes low as feels nice. Big stretch for the low back. On your next exhale, drag your arms back. Your legs, switch them. This might be entirely different. Lock yourself all the way down. As far as feels reasonable, let your head hang down. And then roll yourself out. Okay, something entirely different. Put your back. I think we've done this a few times, but maybe not everybody has. We make a big X with our bodies. So arms are reached out, legs are reached out to the corners of the mat. Think about how you would turn on one side without lifting any of your body off the floor or minimizing that. And then go ahead and do it. See how close you can keep your arm and your leg to the floor as you turn on one side. Make a little ball with your body here on your side. Yeah. And then open it back out so you can stay really close to the floor. Here's our X. Turn over to the other side, stay close as you can. Let's add some breath to this. So next time we come into the X, it's a big inhale, that's our expansion. We roll into the O, exhale, it's our contraction. Inhale to expand. Exhale to contract. Good. Do two more just at your own pace. Just kind of explore it. See where the tight fits are. What moves easily. When you're done, come on back to center. Let your knees bend. Lock your feet out wide. Let your knees drop together. Just let them sway. Just like at the beginning, we're going to take our arms out wide. Let knees just rock back and forth. Maybe you can even notice a difference from the beginning of class and now. Note that. And the next time your knees go to the left, turn your head to the right. Switch, keep your breath flowing. Good, let's add the arms. So as your head turns away from a hand, that hand turns down toward the floor. And switch them. And it really doesn't matter which hand is turning down. We just always have one up and one down. And we're rotating back and forth between the two. And then come on back to center. Take the soles of your feet, bring them together, and experiment with letting your knees drop out to the side. See how that feels. And help your knees back to center. All right. Last thing here, just take feet to the sky. Ankles are going to get a circle. We're going to circle our toes away from each other. Just a little mind body puzzle for you. Good. Stop your feet, take your hands to the sky, circle your fingers toward each other. Stop the hands, get the feet going again, circling away from each other. Yeah, and then if you like, add your hands going toward each other. If it works, that's good. If it doesn't work, doesn't matter. We're still shaking out our wrists and our ankles. And then just shake everything out. Yeah, so our legs are in the sky. This is kind of an upside down pose. It's like legs up the wall, but if you'd like to do something different, you could do a bridge, you could do a shoulder stand, you could do a plow if those are in your practice. Happy baby is another nice option. If you're in happy baby, it might feel nice to rock it. And let that go. Let your feet float back to the mat. Constructive rest or shavasana. Let your body be heavy. Your belly be soft. A little check-in. Notice if there's any areas where you're holding tension. Imagine breathing into those spots. Just letting the tension flow away. And then for the last minute or so here, notice your breath. Notice where you feel it. Hold your attention there. Noticing the breath in and out. Knowing that each in breath is a receiving, each out breath is a letting go. Your mind wanders, just bring it back to the breath. And bring a little gentle movement back to your body. Notice if there's stretches that you're needing. And go ahead and turn on one side. Gently help yourself to sitting. May you dwell in safety, be happy and healthy, may it be at peace. Namaste. Thanks for practicing with me today. Have a good day.